So here I will see what are the operations we can perform on a tuple. We can access an element in a tuple. We can delete a complete tuple. So like in list, we have so many other options, like we can modify a particular element using index, and we can sort it, we can reverse it. But in tuples we cannot do all such operations because tuple is immutable. That means we cannot change the values of a tuple. We can only access the values, or we can delete the complete tuple. So these are the two operations which are available. So let me open a PyCharm IDE and see these operations. So here if I print like tuple of 1, that means it should print me this 2, so that I can get that element. You can see we have got that 2, that means tuple of 1 is printed. And next what we can do is we can delete a complete tuple. So if I delete tuple, it will after that if I print this tuple, it should show me error because this tuple is already deleted. So if I run this, you see the name tuple is not defined because it was deleted in line number 7 itself. So if we call the tuple in line number 8, it will definitely show us an error. So these are accessing elements and deleting complete list in tuple. And there are some more operations in tuple, like we can find the length of a tuple, we can concatenate two tuples, and we can also repeat, membership, and iteration. These are all the things which are also available on list. So length of a tuple. So print it should actually, this tuple is not defined. I need to stop this, delete. I will just comment it. So now if I run this, you can see length of the tuple is 6. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 elements, and it does give me length as 6. And we can also take two tuples, like I'll just concatenate this tuple 1, and I'll create one more tuple, tuple 2. I will have some elements like 956, 78, 2. So these are the elements I have in tuple 2. So now for concatenation, I can just directly use tuple 1 plus tuple 2. And I'll print, actually not tuple 1, it's tuple. So if I see, you can see this is the first tuple, and the second tuple which I have given 56, 78, 2 is also printed here. So this is the concatenation. We can just concatenate using this plus operator. And then we have this repetition, like I'll say print tuple into 3. That means it should print this tuple 3 times. It is up to 6 is one time. This is the first time. I mean, this is the actual tuple. So this 6 is the second time. So this 6 is the third time. So if you see the list, this is the list program. This is all similar to the list. All these operations we have performed on list as well. So the main thing in tuple is we cannot change the values. We cannot modify the values. So those are the things we need to keep in mind while using tuples. So next, after repetition, you can also say membership. Like we can also check for membership, like print, like I will say 56 in tuple 2. So it should give me true or false. It is giving me true. So if you ask for 516, it should obviously give me false. It is giving me false. So this is membership. And next is iteration. You can also iterate tuple, like for I in tuple, and for I in tuple, I'll just print all the items in the tuple, print I, so that it will print me all the items in the first tuple. It has 1, 2, 3, 4.5, 2, and 6. So all these will be printed now. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4.5, 2, and 6. All this will be printed in the next line when we are using this print. So these are the operations available on tuple. So these are the two things: accessing elements in tuple, deleting elements in tuple. We can do with the tuple, and these are the tuple. These are a few more operations like length, concatenation, repetition, and all these things.